Welcome to Identifyreport Professional for the state of Texas. This program was written under the REI 7-2 restrictions set by the state of Texas. Here you're at the main menu. I'd like you to notice a couple things. The first thing I'd like you to see is that over here in the corner is that you can see that we are online. I'm going to reach over and turn this off. This is a standalone program, so I'm going to go to Wi-Fi. I'm going to turn it off. Might go off. I'm going to go to cellular, and I'm going to turn it off. So you see that we are totally turned off here, and I'll go right back to the program. So you see over here in the corner, right, we are not connected to any internet or anything Wi-Fi 3G. We are strictly a standalone program. This is a database-driven program, so you can have your selections of many different information that's in the database to select. So here from the main menu, we can click, we can go ahead and start a new inspection, find an inspection, print an inspection, go to your invoicing, go directly to the contract so they can sign it, go to your company information, schedule, or edit your comments. I'm going to go right straight to structural. I've already put some information here that you can see. Right? You can just tap. You can select from the individual database that has your comments in it. The comments that you would select. No cracks were found, and it puts it right in right where it belongs. And then we'll put this down so you can see. Now, at any time you want, you can jump to the different areas, such as you can go to walls, interior walls. Select your comment from there. You can go from there to right to roof. You can select a comment from there, or just put it right in. You can also scroll up and down the report, as you can with any iPad. Go directly to fireplace and chimneys. Select the comment you want, type it in if you'd like, and it fills it in for you. Now, at any time you want, if you want to preview the page you're working on, you click the little tool icon, click print, I believe. We want to print to a PDF, and we want to view it. You can email it if you want, or you can save it. This is the actual report, what it would look like in a PDF format. Give it a second to create. And here's the actual report. So you can see how it's got the check boxes where they belong. Inspected, not inspected, not present, need of repair. And then you can scroll right down. And this is the actual report. Have your pictures right there. Now you can input the pictures. If you notice on the input screen we had little boxes over here in the corner. You can actually click there and take a picture, and I'm going to do that in just a second, but here I wanted to show you just what it looked like. Exterior. Now we'll get out of this, and we're right back to our report. Now to take a picture, I'll show you how easy it is. Let's just say we're in the fireplace section. I'll click here, and this is the beauty of the iPad. You can take a photo. I'm going to take the light bulb photo. Just click it, accept it, and there it is, right in the report, right where it belongs. No importing of data, no anything like that. Let's see if we can straighten this up just a little bit for you so you can see the whole thing again. How's that? Yeah, that's better. Anyway, so this is the actual area where you can see. You don't have to scroll all the way down. You can put the picture here. This is actually the area where it's going to print. We're going to go over here and preview it again so you can see. View. Now you'll see that there's no importing of the picture or anything. It's exactly where it belongs. You can put a small comment under the picture if you like. There's actually an area where you can load the comments. So we'll just go scroll on down to the fireplace section. Come on, here we go. And there's the picture we just took. You see, no importing, no shuffling pictures around, nothing like that. Just point and click and you're in. That's all there is to it. What could be easier? Get this out here. And let's see, from here, let's go to the electrical section. Electrical, you can see you can identify everything is done to the new code of the REI 7-2. You can always edit new features, new information in here if you want. Every drop-down box has an edit feature, so you can refine it to your own needs. And this is what this page would look like printed. Print, PDF, and we're going to view it. So here's the electrical page. Now if you'd like to, you could go to inspectionsoftware.com and you can actually download a preloaded printout so you can see the whole report as you actually would print it in the field. Now of course we have the heating section, and we'll preview that as well. You can't use the regular preview mode because that's for computers only. Print. You have to go through this process to print preview. I just want you to see what the sections look like. Now this is all selectable information, even what's in the comment boxes here. So you can see we do meet all the standards. Set by Texas. Now this program will also run on a PC or Mac. That's the beauty of our software, is you can use it on a PC, you can use it on a Mac, you can use it on the iPad. All the files are interchangeable. And as I told you before, this is a standalone. We are not on any kind of Wi-Fi or anything like that. So if you're way out in the field and you don't have internet connection, wow, here you are. This is exactly what you need. Of course, we do have other information here. Let's go through and just preview the order form. All the information that you need about your inspection is right here on the order form. And of course, you go directly to the inspection if you want. Now from the order form, as you walk into the house, you can say the areas that you're going to inspect, the inaccessible areas. You can also go directly over to the contract. You get up here to the contract. And you can have them actually sign the contract on the iPad. And right here, I'll have them sign it here. And it says, get signature, and I'll sign it. Tom Jones. And accept it. And there's the signature right here that I just put in. You can set the date if you want. You can write it in manually, or you can select it right straight from here. That's it. You see that prints right on. Then if you go up and preview, let's go up and preview the contract. Go down here to print, and we'll go to PDF, and we'll view it. Here's the actual contract. Of course, it would have the agent information and the license number and stuff like that. I didn't put that in, but you can just type it in on the order form. Here's all the areas inspected, inaccessible areas, and the signatures, date and time. That's all there is to it. So virtually you have your whole inspection package right on your iPad. Now, of course, from here we can go to other areas. If we want to, we can go directly to the photos if you want. You can add more photos in, put comments in, do any kind of thing like that that you'd care to. All it is point and click, so you can just put your photo right in. I would put the photos in directly on the report as you fill it out. All right, that is a brief overview of the new identifying report for the state of Texas under the regulations of REI 7-2. If you have any more questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name is Sterling Smiddy. My email address is support at inspectionsoftware.com. Of course, you can go to inspectionsoftware.com and download a version of this that you can use and test on your iPad. So before you purchase or go any further, you can actually play with it. There's simple little things like you can do. It's like straight from here. Gee, let's take a picture of the house. Right? We can go right here and take a picture of the house. Straight from here, we can go straight to the order form. Just clickety-click. That's the idea. Point and click. So remember, inspectionsoftware.com is where you want to look for all of your iPad inspection software. My name is Sterling Smiddy. Give me a call, and I'd love to talk to you. 760-207-0670. Thank you. Good day.